Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing your work and taking immediate action. Save documents and close non-essential apps so restarts won't lose data. Open Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+S and look for Windows Explorer or Shell Experience Host. Ending those processes forces the taskbar to reload. Once done, choose Restart from the File menu or use the Restart option in Start. If Task Manager itself is unresponsive, use Ctrl+Alt+Del or hold the power button briefly. Make sure to note any unsaved files before forcing shutdown. Now you repair the system services that keep the taskbar responsive. Open an elevated PowerShell or command prompt and run sfc/scano. Wait for verification and fixes. Next, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the component store. This fixes corrupted binaries that break shell behavior. Once those complete, re-register Start and taskbar shell components with targeted PowerShell commands or reinstall Start menu apps. If problems persist, create and sign in to a new local admin account to determine whether the issue is profile-specific. Finally, you finish by applying updates and isolating remaining issues. Check Windows Update and device drivers, install pending updates, and reboot so fixes take effect. If the taskbar still freezes, roll back the most recent update or use System Restore to revert to a known good state. Make sure to document changes you make. If uncertainty remains, boot into safe mode to see whether third-party software or drivers cause the freeze. This single tip often helps you pinpoint and remove the offending application or rollout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.